Hello, welcome to TestFlow how-to videos. Today what I would like to show you, it's a nice feature that we have introduced with TestFlow. It's the comment. So basically what you can do through the TestFlow application and also from the server, you can comment jobs and you can comment test IDs live. So basically any comments you do from the field will get synced with the server automatically and back and forth. So basically it's a bidirectional communication system. So basically what I can do, I can comment the whole job or I can comment specific IDs and test types. So basically if I wanted to comment that specific ID on the IOLM, I can simply do a long press. This will bring me the test comment box. So basically I can enter any kind of comment here. So basically I can free type stuff directly in this box, and when I hit OK, that comment will now become available. So I have this small icon coming on the pass fail here. So if I do a long press again, I can review that comment, I can clear it, I can do whatever I want. And if I go on a server and I'm just gonna do a quick refresh here, I'll see that the comment that I've put in the tester is, I've been synced with the server. So a technician can warn his manager, and manager can answer live the technician, and he can say, I don't know, move on, and you can hit save, and that comment will be synced back with the server, with the TestFlow application. So at some point, you see there I have my move on comment. So basically it's a bidirectional commenting tool that we have, and we also have it at the job level. So basically I can hit there the comment, and as we have seen in the previous capsule on the server, when I define the job, I can pre-enter predefined comments. So basically here from a drop-down list, I can simply select the comment that has been predefined, hit OK, and that comment is saved to add the job. So basically here you see there I have a comment, and if I go at the job level, I will have that same comment here, and it's a predefined comment, so the technician doesn't have to type from the keyboard on the device. It's something that you've defined at the job level. It could be standardized predefined comments that you have throughout the company, and you can have those attached to the job. So this is a nice features that we have introduced with TestFlow, and it allows you better tracking of what's going on in the field, and also better exchange between the different person executing the job.